I love this feature and you should love it too. Let me show you. So for the machines I use the most, okay, I have this popping in my logins, my login info, which is this thing here. Okay, you see here, you see this? Every time before I log in, I get this information, which is the IP address, IPv4 IP address, and my IPv6 IP address. If you're watching this in a short form, come see on the long form to see it better. But I like to have this feature in some machines. The machines I use more frequently, which is I get the IP address information right over there before I log in. I have my IP address. So how can I achieve this? Well, you just log in as the root user, and I'm trying to. I don't know what's happening. It's not going through. I don't know why. Why are you not logging in? Okay, let's try again. So just log in. Okay. Then you edit your etc issue file. This file configures everything that pops before the login on your, this is a physical console, okay? This is not SSH, this is the physical console. etc issue, and you just need to add, this is what I added. Well, the main thing is the /4/6. /4 will show the IP address of the IPv4 stack. /6 will show the IP address of the IPv6 stack. But I just made this a little bit prettier. IPv4 address is and /4, IPv6 address is /6. Okay. Again, watch the long form video to be more clear. And now every time I log in, I see this. All right. So basically, edit your etc issue file and add /4 for the IPv4 file. Add the /4 to your IPv4 IP address /6 for your IPv6 address. One more time. So just log in, go to the issue file, and you add the /4 and /6. This is going to allow you to see the IPv4 and IPv6 file IP addresses before you log in your physical console. If you're watching this in a short form, come see the long form video. It's linked down below to see it clearer. Like, subscribe, and hype. It will help, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys. Now, yes.